Stay out of their sight.
Caution.
Strider, Aslan's one. Our current ETA matches yours. Capture them off guard. Can we secure the LZ quickly?
Caution. Pull up.
We'll get you down safe. I'm worried you're short on men.
Caution. Pull
Everyone
up.
here's already signed their wills.
That ain't funny.
Caution.
Never was good at jokes.
Caution.
Okay,
Pull up.
follow you in. Good luck.
Understood.
Caution. Pull up.
Strider 1, you've passed through waypoint 2.
Caution.
The valley's about to get narrower. Be careful.
Caution. Pull up. Caution.
When can we take on the final mission? I'm starting to get tired of all this. This is the last step, Count. We'll take the enemy base and use it as a bridgehead.
Caution.
Watch yourselves out there. We're going to need all of you in Farbanti. Without Wiseman here, everybody wants to give orders like they're the company commander himself.
Caution. Pull up.
The best thing about Strider Squadron is our leader keeps his mouth shut. Watch your speed. You've passed waypoint 3. You're coming up on the base, imposing radio silence.
Caution.
We won't be able to talk again until you're over the base. Continue to keep an eye on your altitude. There are plenty of dark spots that can sneak up on you.
Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Caution. Pull up. Caution. Pull up. Caution.
You just passed through waypoint 4. Radio silence has been lifted. You're almost at the base. We made it. That was quite the roller coaster ride. Visual confirmation on the airbase. Reach destination. Commence the attack. It's time for their wake-up call.